and others who elected to abstain. That part of the country must not be left behind. That other percentage of voters should not be left behind. And that is why this morning, reason is my religion, and I intend to dwell in there without departing from such quarters. That reason demands that we tell President Kenyatta, time has come where you must summon a round table, not of the entire team of NASA and the surrogates of the NASA leadership. Sit with Raila Odinga.
And with him sitting with Raila Odinga, does he realize he would be sitting with the nation?
Well,
the
nation will be sitting. Because I want to so much restrain myself from saying that by sitting with Raila Odinga is sitting with the nation, because Raila Odinga is not synonymous to the nation. But
by nation, I mean that we would assume that Jubilee is already supporting him in whatever he's doing.
Yes.
Then the other half of the nation, as it were, based on the figures
exactly.
that we have.
But then the nation will be sitting.
Thank
and
you.
Remember that the Constitution has domiciled a few good words in there about the executive office of president. That the president is the symbol of national unity. That symbolism must be just not be done by the president, but must be seen to be done by the president. He must be that symbol. Look, I have never seen any man diminished by extending a handshake or an olive branch. No one shall ever be diminished, not even President Kenyatta. In fact, history will domicile a place for him under the shade of respect. If at all he reaches out to Raila Odinga and asks him, brother, they have always called themselves brother before the cameras. Then can we see the color of that brotherhood? Instead of demonstrating, especially in election times such as this, that they wear, like Joseph of Scripture, some, some costume with the technicolors, and those many colors, we see the redness, the blueness, the greenness that